Artificial intelligence has the potential to reshape our world, unlocking possibilities we're only just beginning to imagine. From tackling climate change to supporting mental well-being, from enabling immersive virtual reality gaming experiences to handling your household chores. AI is going to be everywhere. AI isn't just the future, it's already affecting aspects of how we live and work. Today, we're only at the dawn of this technological revolution, yet we're already amazed by what AI can do.
I'd like to go through a few examples of things that I think are very, very important in this space. One of the ones that excites me most personally is around drug research. Now, I remember when I first met folks from this industry, I was just stunned coming from the computer industry where we can literally simulate an entire circuit that we're building, so the likelihood that when that chip ultimately is built, the confidence level that it'll work is so high. This is an industry that completely is not only highly regulated, but relies very, very heavily on human trials and animal trials. The pipelines to develop these drugs are immense. 10 years plus. Artificial intelligence has incredible potential to shorten down the cycle times in significant ways. When it comes down to development of how molecules can be designed in terms of how they will adhere to cells, huge potential to take these numbers down by 50%, which would be huge in terms of cancer research and other areas. AI is going to change pharma. AI is going to change driving. It already has. Over 1 million fatalities per year in the automotive industry. 90% is human error. You just have to go back to airline travel 30, 40 years ago when you look at the number of accidents that took place. The vast majority, pilot error. So it's natural that when you think about autonomous driving, that if we can get a lot smarter in terms of what we do with AI, we're going to see significant savings. Companies like Tesla, companies like Wave, doing huge work with LLMs are going to save lives. Education, another huge area of potential innovation. Today, only 2% of folks really get benefit from online learning. But when you think about individualized tutors, things that can be done with AI, ChatGPT 4.0, there's some very significant benefits people are seeing in terms of teaching. And lastly, around climate change. There's work being done here in the UK at Leeds University around accelerating the type of analysis that can be done in terms of climate change, whether it's around simulating the time it takes icebergs to erode. So the amount of potential that exists in this industry around what can be done, it's going to transform our planet, our species. So that's why it is so urgent for us to take advantage of that potential.
So what happens next? What are the technological and mathematical ideas that drive AI? How do we make the most of this powerful technology, whilst also addressing very legitimate ethical concerns about its use? This is the fascinating world you'll explore as you follow this course. You'll build your skills, deepen your understanding, and sharpen your critical thinking about a technology that is just beginning to transform our everyday lives. By the end of the course, you'll have an introductory understanding of some key elements of data science and machine learning, and their uses in artificial intelligence. This includes some of the challenges involved in the development and use of AI, as well as the ethical debates surrounding it. You'll also have taken your first steps in programming and working with the machine learning frameworks, which are set to transform the world around us.